What's going on, winners? And today we bring you a legendary vehicle, the 2016 Lamborghini Huracan. This bad boy is coming to get 50% on his front windshield to block out all that unwanted heat and UV rays. We're about to rock you like a hurricane. Huracan. The exterior of this car is always a jaw dropper. As soon as you see the LED headlights with their unique design, you know this baby has more than meets the eye. Of course, this wouldn't be a Lamborghini if it didn't have its beautiful wedge-shaped rear. As some of you might know, the engine is actually housed in the rear of the Lamborghini. The quad exhaust and air ducts are needed to keep the 5.2-liter V10 engine nice and cool and sounding just right. The 20-inch aluminum wheels are like icing on this beautiful, expensive green cake. Inside the cockpit of this Lamborghini, you definitely feel like the captain of your ship. The switches and buttons resemble those on airplanes, and they're meticulously installed in the center console. Beautiful. As we're looking at the beautiful Alcantara suede paneling on the doors and the green leather that shines beautifully on these bucket seats, we do have to say that it would be a shame if you put all this money and time into getting this specific Lamborghini that you've always wanted, then the leather starts cracking, the suede gets faded, now you gotta pay even more just to repair the interior. That's why this customer went with the best film we have, S9 Nano Ceramic Film, to block out all that unwanted UV rays and to protect the interior from the sun damage, guys. Stay tuned, you're not gonna wanna miss this one. We just finished giving this Lamborghini the winning treatment. It got 50% on the front windshield, S9 Nano Ceramic Film, guys. The best stuff on the market, blocks out 99.9% of the UV rays and 92% of the infrared rays to protect the driver and this beast from the harmful sun rays. If you guys have any cool or exotic cars you want us to tint, call us, DM us, or message us. Maybe there's something we can work out. Every Wednesday at 9 o'clock, we go live to give you guys free cash prizes. All you gotta do is be there at 9 o'clock on Wednesdays. Without further ado, check it out while we take it out. Yeah.